Good morning. Right now I am in Belfast. আমরা আগের দিন এসেছি, জাস্ট পরের দিনের মর্নিংটা জাস্ট কাইন্ড অফ মর্নিং ওয়াক করছি। অ্যান্ড ইফ ইউ সি the place, and it is our Airbnb staying, and very nice place, and just we were staying in nature. So the village is very nice, just kind of, it is kind of picture that we have seen. See, this is the Airbnb we are staying, and beside that, see, very nice place. And this is the neighborhood, and this is the Airbnb we are staying. And if you go all the way straight down, and if you see that the other side, it is the farming area. Yeah, very nice place.